Welcome to Soothing Pause Meditation. In this session, we'll give ourselves permission to rest in order to replenish our depleting energy. Find a quiet place to sit where you won't be disturbed. Settle into a comfortable position where you can straighten your back without tension. If you prefer, you can also do this practice lying down. Gently close your eyes and begin to deepen your breath. Give yourself permission to fully arrive into your practice, landing right here, right now. Take deep, slow inhales and calm, complete exhales. Now, tune into your body. Release your full weight into the support of the chair or surface you're resting on. And as you begin to relax a little further, feel your body receiving your inhalations and exhalations. Direct your attention to your feet. Let your feet soften as fully as possible. Relax the skin on the tops of your feet. And on the bottoms. Release tension in your feet all the way to the tips of your toes. And follow your attention up your ankles to your calves, allowing the tension to drain away. Feel your knees relax. And spread that relaxation up to your thighs. Your entire legs releasing fully. Now, soften any gripping or holding around your hips and your entire pelvis. And take a moment to reconnect with your easy, flowing breath. Soft inhales, soft exhales. Notice any tension in your belly and direct your breath there. Spread relaxation into your belly with each breath. And imagine relaxation like a wave spreading up through the front of your torso. Soften your chest. Let your ribs move freely with your breath. Now expand relaxation into the back of your body. Soften your lower back, your mid-back. Release tension in your upper back, even between your shoulder blades. Deeply relax and release through your whole back body. And again, gently return to your soft, easy breath. Continue to soften your shoulders. And soften the muscles in your neck. Relax your arms, letting them get heavy. Soften all the way to your wrists, releasing tension in your hands. Let your fingers relax and gently curl. Now, turn your awareness to the crown of your head. Release the muscles in your scalp. Relax your forehead, softening the skin around your temples. Relaxing all of the tiny muscles around your eyes and eyelids. Soften your jaw, gently separating the biting surfaces of the teeth. Relax your lips. Soften your tongue. And imagine all of the tension in your face draining away. Now, let your whole body soften and surrender. And as you inhale, draw a deep wave of relaxation up the front of your body from your feet to the crown of your head. And as you exhale, the wave of relaxation moves through the back of your body, from your head down to your heels. Inhaling deep relaxation up the front of your body. Exhaling deep relaxation through the back of your body. And now, soften your awareness. We often get so caught up in obligations and commitments that we don't even realize how exhausted we are until it is too late. We become depleted, or we burn out, no longer able to live up to our responsibilities. The pendulum suddenly swings from doing too much to not being able to do anything at all. Meditation teaches us to pay attention. As we continue to practice, we build our capacity to notice the subtle changes. We pay closer attention to how we feel emotionally and physically. We learn to recognize when we've pushed too far too long. So the next time you recognize you're doing too much, give yourself permission to rest. Cancel some non-essential plans, go to bed an hour earlier, or cuddle up with a good movie. Prevent the burnouts by tuning in and listening to your inner messages before it's too late. Now turn your awareness back to your breath. Take a deep breath in and a full breath out. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.